Gunner, and that's Gunner on a different screen.
No, this is me, Arif.
Yeah,
This is me, Kelly.
we got the screens. We got two of everybody because we're using two phones to record. Aria's phone and
Callie, use your phone too, so it can be a 3 video.
and this is going to be the best video ever. Well, not ever, but okay, guys. Time for a commercial break to look outside.
Pause it. Pause it.
No, they're doing commercial break outside. They're looking outside. And if you know, these cups are amazing.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And still never eat these. Never eat these waffles. Never eat the waffles. Never eat waffles.
These cups, they taste good.
Always eat Pop-Tarts.
If you don't eat these mini pretzels,
I'm sorry,
so small.
we all woke up at 5 a.m., so we might be a little bit tired.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Wait.
I said to the people that we woke up at 5 a.m., so we might look tired. Oh, goodness. Well, on my video, my side of the video is going to show Arius, and then Arius' video is going to show me real quick. Hello. Now that was good. Okay, so Arius,
Ring the bell. Subscribe.
are we seriously posting this on YouTube?
If you want to.
Oh, we don't even know how to do it.
Me neither. Why did they just say that?
Hey, Mom. We're making a video and we kind of want to post it on YouTube. She said okay. My mom said okay. Yeah. So,
Can it be posted on kids' YouTube?
yours can. Mine's gonna be on, I don't know, maybe both. I might have to download kids' YouTube to get it on there. But, other than that, yeah. Good! Okay. Let's drink. Hey, let's get a drink break where we drink in front of the fans. Come on, don't pause it. Just hold it. Nice refreshing water. And for her, nice refreshing apple juice.
Yeah.
I don't know why people like apple juice. I just don't. I'm gonna leave you guys right here. I need to fix my thing up here. It's really messy. I'm gonna put my cup right there. And then put my melted waffles inside here. Ah! Oh, sorry guys. Guys, look at this charger. Yeah, Titanium Volpix. Cool. I really wish I had the thing on Aria's phone. You can see the bottom right there. You can see my phone and the Aria's phone that's with Aria's phone. You can see, it's like an infinite loop. Don't pause it. It's like an infinite loop, see? Look at that.
Yeah.
It's like an infinite loop.
What looks like it?
The phone and then your, see, look, my phone, your phone, my phone, your phone, my phone, your phone. Bert, we'll have to, oh God, this is 4 minutes long. upside down. Oh, am I upside down or upside up? I don't know which one I am because it keeps saying I'm not either.
He's just right.
5 minutes for me.
4 minutes.
So, here's some of them. There's Callie. That's outside. That's my mom. That's Lucas. That's Morgan over there, sleeping with his hat.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yes, he's sleeping on the ride. Yeah. Okay. Callie just said something on here. Well, let's keep on this video.
Okay.
I just want to. How about we just wait until the end? Well, not the end, but until. Let's just wait until the end of. I keep saying end. Well, it's just I don't know. Maybe like we could. What does this mean? Why is the what button? What does it mean? We're only 8 years old. We don't know everything. Yeah. We don't know how God made us.
That must be pause. We're gonna have fun today. Next time on Spider-Man Far From Home.
What the? It's sponsored by that. That is the. What? Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. If anyone watches this, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the like button.
Come here. Gunner.
And I'm okay if you don't like my videos, because I know I dislike some videos too. No! Do not mess with my phone.
Gunner, come here. I'm gonna do a video of our faces like this.
My goodness, it's in rainbow. Well, not rainbow. It's like that. That's weird.
We are ghosts. We're gonna play a ghost video.
Inside a haunted airplane with a bunch of humans.
Well, they're actually ghosts because my camera has a ghost.
Ew, my hair's white. I mean, my hair's blue. Look, hey, video. Look, my video. Wait, it has actual color. It has actual color. It has actual color. It has actual color whenever you put it on the video. That's on the video. That is so weird, Plant. What are these? Oh my. Anything that's blue becomes. Wait, let's see yours. It's weird. Oh,
Anything that becomes blue becomes orange. And anything that becomes apple juice is colorful.
this is weird. I'm not gonna do any more of your light show themes.
What?
What? What? Let me see that.
It just turned dark.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Yours is like that. Wait, and I have the face. And now, guys, here's my napkin. It's the same thing, Spider-Man Far From Home, but it says with face. goodness, my video's been going on for 10 minutes. Oh my. So what do you, I want to know, write in the comments, what's your favorite Unspeakable video throughout his years of Minecraft? 2012 all the way to 2019. What do you think? Remember, like and subscribe and leave something in the comments about it. And next week, we're going to do a video. Well, actually, probably tomorrow, we're going to do a video about stuff. I don't know what to do yet. Don't blame me, this is my first video ever. Okay, I'm kidding, this is not my first video.